I'm Aya's Actor with PC Mag, and these are the brand new Galaxy S25 phones. We've got the base model, we've got the Plus, and we've got the Ultra. You can notice the Ultra's got a brand new form. It looks more like an actual Galaxy S, and not just a Note masquerading as an S. When it comes to the hardware, these devices are very similar to each other. They share the same processor, the same amount of RAM, 12 gigabytes of RAM for each. There's not a ton of hardware upgrades when it comes to these versus the S24, but there are some specific features that these things can do that the S24 will never be able to do. There's something called a Pro Scaler on each of these. What that does, it will upscale whatever image is on the screen to make it look better. So it won't make a 480p image look amazing, but it'll look better on other phones. Some of the bigger changes about the S25 line is really about One UI 7, and what that brings you is a lot more on-device AI. Samsung made the AI even smarter on the S25. So get this, instead of just bringing information in, Galaxy AI will take whatever information you need and send it to another app. Let's say you want to put the Buffalo Bills game on your calendar. You hold down the side button, which will bring up Gemini. That's right, Bixby's on the bench right now. And you can say, put the next Buffalo Bills game on my calendar. Galaxy AI, using Gemini, will then take that information from online, put it in your calendar for you. So you don't need to cut and paste or create your own event. It's supposed to make things easier for you. Another example, if you want to find a restaurant, let's say you want to find an Indian restaurant and you want to send it to another person, you can literally say, find me an Indian restaurant and send it to Peter. And it'll do it. These things seem to make the experience easier and easier. These features will be on all three devices. Now, if you look real hard, these devices are thinner and lighter than last generations, and they feel quite good. They're premium build, just like every Samsung device at this point. We're gonna have full reviews of all of these very soon. So go to PCMag.com, check out those reviews, because this is gonna be good.